Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Computer user face lot of problem when using computer. You see here everything is okay. The display is okay. The Word, Excel, PowerPoint and every site work properly, but USB port not work properly. Every port work for mouse and keyboard, but other external device when you insert that will not work, such as external hard drive, external DVD-ROM, pen drive, printer, scanner, that will not work. So this is the problem. This problem will occur any kind of computer as well as the old computer. Here you see the port. I inserted bootable pen drive for installing Windows, but it will not work. Here you see when we press the power button and pressing F12 for boot menu, here you see that will not work. When I click hard drive, here you see only displayed hard drive and SSD, but there is no pen drive. When we connect hub in this port will work. This is USB hub. Any good quality USB hub will work in this port. You can use all the external device, pen drive, external hard drive, CD-ROM, printer, scanner, everything. So we can use this type of hub. I will see the result. I will remove the pen drive and insert hub. I will see the result. After inserting bootable pen drive, I will press F12 for boot menu. Before that, I will press power button and pressing F12 for boot menu. After coming this display, you see here the pen drive is showing. Here you see the first is pen drive, second SSD and third is hard drive. So this port is working. If you want to insert printer cable, the printer will work. So this is the hidden tricks. Most of the people who can use the computer, this problem have been faced, but nothing to do that time they think. So this video will help for them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.